Harry Barber. So and by the way guys, Harry is famous as a TikTok boy, so Hello everyone, welcome back to FarExotics. Today I've got a big announcement. I've got a brand new car. It's not a supercar, but it's a SUV, so are you guys ready for this? Boom! Jaguar F-Pace. It looks insane, right? No, actually I'm kidding. It's not my car. It's one of my friend's car, Harry Barber.
Yeah, you're trying to take my car.
So yeah, Harry used to go college, but he was a naughty boy, so he dropped out, and now he's he's driving a Jaguar F-Pace. So tell me about your car, Harry. How long have you had the car, and what model it is, what year?
So it's a Jaguar F-Pace 2017. I've had it for about 6-7 months or so. Probably not going to be keeping it much longer, but yeah, no, for the last 6-7 months it's been a really good car to drive. So
that is a good SUV, to be honest. I really like it. Let me show you guys. Look at the inside. First of all, look at this flex. Shit. Come on, look at this. Shift paddles.
no, it's a very nice car. It's a lot of space,
Yeah.
And in the back you could easily get 4 people in.
It's actually really sick, and it has a sunroof. That's the benefit of this car. I like.
It's got every single add-on, every single bit. Got all like the digital display, you've got the upgraded info system.
That is sick car, to be honest.
Obviously pan roof. It's got obviously the bigger 22s wheels.
Mhm.
You either get the, I think it's the 18s or the 20s, but
Okay, that's not bad.
it's pretty much got absolutely everything.
Okay, so I've showed you guys the car. I'm gonna roll the montage. Guys, most of the cars they have it on the door, but this car has it on underneath the mirrors. That is sick. Alright guys, so what are we gonna do? You'll go for a cruise. Harry's gonna take me for a ride in his car. I've never seen him driving this big car, because like, look at the size of him, like
It's too big, isn't it?
it's too big for him. So where are you gonna take me?
I could go on the jewelry for a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Look at this guy. Go on, Harry.
It just doesn't sound it, does it?
Yeah, the stock exhaust is not bad as well.
It's not bad, but you hear more turbo, right?
Yeah.
Engines.
It's actually a really nice car, to be honest. Very comfortable.
That's the main thing. It's more luxury rather than.
Which one do you think is quickest? This one or G63?
G60 for everything.
Bloody cameras everywhere.
It's very comfortable to drive.
It is.
Going around corners, it feels like it just sticks. It's perfect to be fair.
She look carrots like a bunny, got a hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scenes, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I be getting to it since a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got it in my passenger.
It's still a lot of fun to drive, but it's not like the F-Type.
Yeah, we need to take the F-Type. We need to take the F-Type. I will come and take the F-Type from your dad.
Do you want it?
Yeah, of course, why not? He knows that I drive a supercar, so it should be easy for...
He did like that car, so I showed him earlier. So it's very nice. So you do get a lot of attention with yours.
Yeah.
You do get a lot of attention. You have a lot of people just walking past you, people saying, oh, that's one thing. But no, I've only seen it in pictures. I was a bit like, I don't know about the colour, but in
Yeah,
person,
picture like... Because you put like filters as well, so it kind of look different.
Yeah.
And by the way, guys, Harry is famous as a TikTok boy, so... TikTok boy. Alright, so it's a wrap, guys. Thank you, Harry, for coming.
Don't worry about it.
But it's a nice car. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave in a comment below what kind of video guys do you want to watch in the future. Do you guys want more of SUVs, more vlogs with Harry, or should I kick Harry out from the vlog? So take care, guys, be safe, and I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Take care, peace.
Don't care for the phones, got her own way. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk.